Hello students, welcome back in our second standard math session. As we have completed our annual portion, we are revising as per paper pattern. So our revision number 1, question number 1 is fill in the blanks. From that first, division means sharing dash. Second, division means equal dash. Third one, dash is the symbol of division. Fourth, dash is another symbol of division. Fifth, in 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 6 is called dash. 2 is called dash. 3 is called dash. Sixth one, dash means dividing or separating in equal groups. 7. Division as repeated dash. 8. In 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 3 is called dash. 15 is called dash and 5 is called dash. Now let's see the answers of these fill in the blanks. First one, division means sharing equally. Second, division means equal sharing. Third one, dash and upper and lower side one dot is the symbol of division. Fourth one, in Marathi ja we are writing the same way is the symbol of division, another symbol of division. Fifth one, in 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 6 is called dividend, 2 is called divisor and 3 is called quotient. Sixth one, division means dividing or separating in equal groups. 7. Division as repeated subtraction. 8. In 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 3 is called divisor, 15 is called dividend and 5 is called quotient. Now we are going to see next page. In that we are going to see next fill in the blanks. So our ninth fill in the blank is Indian money is in the form of dash and dash. 10th, dash paise make 1 rupee. 11th, dash is the symbol of rupees. 12th, dash is the symbol of paise. 13th, rupee 1 is equal to dash p. P means paise. 14th, we use a clock to tell the dash. 15th, the short hand is called dash hand and the long hand is called dash hand. 16th, 1 hour is equal to dash minutes. 17th, the clock has number from dash written on its face. 18. Half an hour is equal to dash. 19. The minute hand moves from one number to the next number in dash minutes. So, ninth answer is Indian money is in the form of rupees and paise. 10th, dash means 10 paise make 1 rupee. 11. Rupee, ro, like it is the sign of rupees. P is the symbol of paise. Rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. 14th, we use a clock to tell the chime. 15th, the short hand is called hour hand and the long hand is called minute hand. 16th, 1 hour is equal to 16 minutes. 17th, the clock has number from 1 to 12 written on its face. 18th one, half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. 19th one, the minute hand moves from one number to the next number in 60 minutes. Now we are going to see next page. Fill in the blanks number 20. The hour hand moves from one number to the next number in dash hour. 21. The dial of the clock is divided into dash small divisions. 22. 1 day is equal to dash hour. 23. 1 year is equal to dash months. 24. 1 year is equal to dash days. 25. 1 week is equal to dash days. 26. Dash is the first month and dash is the last month of the year. 27th, dash is the 5th day of the week. 28. Dash comes just after Saturday. 29. In an ordinary year, February month has dash days. 30th, there are dash days in a leap year. Now we are going to see the answers of these fill in the blanks. 20th, the hour hand moves from one number to the next number in 1 hour. The dial of the clock is divided into 60 small divisions. 22nd, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 year is equal to 365 or 366 days, as February month is also changing 28 or 29 days. So 25th, 1 week is equal to 27 days. 26th, January is the first month and December is the last month of the year. 27th, Friday is the 5th day of the week. 28th, Sunday comes just after Saturday. 29th, in an ordinary year, February month has 28 days. 30th, there are 366 days in a leap year. Next one, 31st, a leap year falls once in every dash year. 32, dash is the first day and dash is the last day of the week. 33, the fourth month of the year is dash. 34, in September month there are dash days. If yesterday was Wednesday, then today is dash. We are going to see the answers of these. A leap year falls once in every 4 years. 32, Monday is the first day and Sunday is the last day of the week. The fourth month of the year is April. In September month, there are 30 days. If yesterday was Wednesday, then today is Thursday. So, write these all fill in the blanks in your notebook and revise all the fill in the blanks properly. We'll meet in the next session with new question. Bye bye students.